the real trains come. Downstairs. Stopped at our first station here. I don't know where it is, but it looks pretty cool. Another German train station. And when you're in Europe, don't forget to get one of these European to whatever country you use power adapters. That way you can plug stuff in and have it work. That way you plug it in, so then you can use it later to charge stuff. On that platform. We might be lucky enough to actually go on a double-decker train this time. Wow. We made it. Like, a minute to spare. Oh boy. This is platform 14. We switched trains to a double-decker. Our train literally just arrived as we got off ours. That's amazing. As if anything could be worse, the train has shut off. Lights went out, and like all the motors just stopped moving. So it broke, or that's not, well, it's being fixed. So yeah, it could go worse. So the train is moving. We're actually going somewhere for once, which is great. The problem is my G7X died. All 3 batteries are not, they're just dead. And there's no chargers anywhere, so I had to go to this, which is my Lumix G7, prior to the rest of the video. Just gonna see how that looks. Yeah, coming up, hopefully we're gonna try to find that train that we looked for that was like leaving at 9:30, which may or may not be true. And this is when things got a little bit more confusing. The plan was to take one train from the Polish border, which is where we're at, into the city where we are now, which is Wroclaw, Poland. And instead we took 3 different trains, and we didn't have to, because all the other trains had weird schedules and nothing fit, so the only option was to take 3 trains and 2 taxis. So, this is what happened. The first reasonable thing to do was to go downstairs, where we found a taxi that could drive us to a nearby train station. The taxi eventually dropped us off at a Polish train station right by the German border. The train dropped us off at this weird-looking train station where we waited for about 20 minutes for our second train and our third train. And for that night, I was half asleep, so that's why I couldn't film the third train. But believe me, we took a third train that lasted for about an hour that brought us to a train station, the main train station here, and then we came here by taxi. Taxi number 2. So like I said before, very confusing, but we did make it somehow, and we will be continuing with this schedule of making more vlogs here, making other travel videos as well, coming later on, and I will be making videos, don't worry. I'm sorry the videos have been being uploaded kind of days apart. The internet here is not that great, so I try to upload these videos in like stores, or maybe I do wait here, but it takes like hours to upload. So I'd rather do it in stores, that's why it takes kind of longer. But I will be making more videos very soon, and I'm gonna end it here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I hope you subscribed if you would like to see more videos like this, and click the bell icon if you want to get notified about it. But that is all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.